Good morning, students. In class 8, we started a topic that is punctuation and capital letters. So today we will continue with the next punctuation, that is the comma. So in this case, the comma is the shortest pause. It should be used wherever we think we need a pause. जहाँ पर आपको shortest pause लेना होता है, जब आपको लगता है कि ये partitions में आपको pause ले लेना चाहिए, that is a part of comma. However, the following points should be helpful in understanding the use of comma. आप बाकी contents इसके जो है option से समझ सकते हैं, just like how do we use the comma, just like upcoming जो आपके टॉपिक्स होने वाले हैं इसमें. जस्ट लाइक द कोमा इज यूज टू सेपरेट वर्ड्स इन सीरीज. तो कोमा का बेसिकली यूज हम जो वर्ड्स ऑफ सीरीज होती है कैसे. I purchase oranges, apples and cold drinks for him. That means sequence. You can see, है ना. One more. The trains on the route are fast, comfortable and punctual. The train on the routes are fast, comfortable and punctual. That means we are having fast and comfortable. तो sequence that means series के लिए ऐसे यूज कर सकते हैं. All the rooms in the house are small, dark, and dingy. That means different type of series is given in this sentences. So you have to end with full stop. वो तो करेंगे but in mid of sentence we have to use comma for showing the separation. Second, to separate a direct quotation from such construction as he said. जैसा हमने basically पढ़ा है reported speech में. See how. To separate a direct quotation, that means comma. My teacher said to him, comma, he could not solve these questions. That means reported speech में जैसा आपने सीखा था, तो यहाँ पर भी after finishing the object of reporting verb, जब हम इसको double inverted comma start करते हैं तब हम वहाँ पर commas का use करते हैं. So third one, to set off certain words of phrase like, कुछ certain words हमारे पास given है, that is first one However, moreover, in fact, as matter of that, as a matter of that, the effect also you can use. Next, of course, in short, finally, in these cases, we also use a comma. How? So basically, मैंने यहाँ पे दो तीन examples ली हैं just for showing you. In short, she could not handle the classes. In short में we have used comma. Clear? As a matter of fact, I did not break his trust. However, my mother could not understand this situation. Clear? So that was basically examples of these prefix we can use in sentences. In next cases, two set of words used in addressing people. Come in, Arun, and sit down. Addressing noun, that means people, we can use commas also. Fine. Manoj, what are you doing? That means for addressing the people, we also use commas. Next one, to separate clauses where a pause is needed in reading. So we can use in this case also. he tried very hard one group of sentence and he could not obtain good marks, particularly it is required for taking short. Though it was raining, first condition, we could not come late in the party. Separation of sentences. Clear? Since I had so much work to do at home, since I had so much work to do at home, I did not have time to come. That means we are taking a short break in the sentences that since I had so much work to do at home, first condition na, so I did not have time to come. We can use to separate a question tag from the rest of the sentences. वहाँ पर भी use कर सकते हैं. See how? To separate a question tag from the rest of the sentence. He hasn't come. Has he? In this case, we also use commas. You know his phone number, don't you? You know his mobile number, don't you? ठीक है? His father has purchased a new car. Fine. So hasn't he? Clear? So that was basically the using of commas. So in the upcoming lecture, we will continue the topic with exercises of punctuation. Thank you. Thank you so much.